In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find transit number Royal Bank of Canada RBC. First thing first, you will need to log into your online bank account. After you are logged into account, you will be taken to the home page, and once you are on the home page, you will need to click on account overview. As soon as you click on account overview, you will be able to see a lot of information. Underneath, in order to see your transit number, you need to double click on the information that will be located underneath, and after that on the other page you will be able to locate your transit number. However, if you don't have an online banking account, what else you can do is you can also locate your transit number on your check. As you can see, this is how basically check is going to look like. Underneath the check there will be some visit. Now these are actually transit numbers, so that's how you can locate a transit number in RBC bank.